I'm going to show you how to assemble your Wanderfuls Bouquet. First, take your base and clip your clear petri dish into the top. Take your narrow tube and put it into the top of your petri dish. Then you're going to take your wide tube and click it into the top of your clear disc, like so. Take your clear disc and place it on top of the narrow tube. Then take your candy-filled favor and pom-pom and place it right on top to secure the candy inside, like so. Then you take the favor and slide it right into the base. And just like that, you have a beautiful Wanderfuls bouquet. As a reminder, the number of wide tubes you get will vary depending on how many party favors you want in your bouquet. For a bouquet of 6, you'll have 1 tube. For a bouquet of 8, you'll have 2 tubes. For a bouquet of 9, you'll have 3 tubes. And for a bouquet of 10, you'll have 4 tubes.